is up? What is up? Is Nicole Cheney. We are gonna make some witches fingers, okay? And they're gonna be pizza flavored, okay? So this was one of the ways that I've gotten my kids to eat keto bread. Actually, was to do this little things like this. So we made like little fingers and whatnot. So what I have here, right here, is melted mozzarella cheese, 1 cup of it. Okay, that's what we've done in here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put 3/4 of almond flour in with it. Okay. Okay, and then we're gonna add our some Italian spice to this as well. Okay. And we have basically a bread. So we're going to work it with our hands. And the reason why I work it with the hands is so that cheese still stays nice and warm. Okay. All right. And we're working it. We're working it. Okay. All right, so now we're gonna make little strips out of this. Okay, so what I do is I put them in the little strips. So we're basically making like a pizza cheesy breadstick kind of thing. Okay, that's basically what we're doing here. And get more of this flour up in here. There we go. Really worked into this cheese. There we go. Okay. Little by little, it all goes on. Okay, there we go. Okay. So now we have our dough, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to take pieces of it, and we're gonna make little like breadsticks out of it. So we're gonna just take some like this. We're gonna roll it out. Okay. We're gonna form our finger. Okay. So basically, we're just gonna do like this. It's gonna look like this. I'm gonna bring it a little closer. Hi there. It's gonna look like this. Okay, so we have like little sticks of the dough in here, and this is basically all you're gonna do at this point. So you're gonna have a bunch of these, and you're gonna sit them down. Okay, they're gonna be cooking in the oven for about 10 minutes. They're cooking. Okay, so I'm gonna keep breaking these up and doing this while I'm doing that. And then when you take it out, that's when you get like creative with it. Okay. So this is like basically like the pizza dough. Okay, this is the dough for the pizza. Okay, this is actually how we make our pizzas. Is with this. Here we go. We got another nice little finger here. Little finger. They do not have to be perfect. But we have some homemade marinara sauce, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna drip it on the tip of the finger. Okay, so the tip of the finger here, and then we're gonna put some all on the bottom here. Then we're on the tip of the finger. We're going to actually stick more mozzarella cheese. So we have a triangle of mozzarella cheese. We're going to stick it on top where the marinara sauce is going to go. So it's going to look exactly like a finger, okay? So you're going to be, here's the finger, here's mozzarella cheese. So it's going to look like a little finger. It's going to look so cool, okay? So that's what we're going to do. And we're going to do that when you get it out of the oven, okay? So right now I'm going to be making these fingers up, and then we're going to stick them in the oven, and then I'll take a picture of them all done, basically, is what's going to happen. Because I don't think you want to stick on video with me for that long. I know I'm entertaining, but I'm not that entertaining, right? But basically, you cook the dough, and then you assemble it all after, okay? It doesn't take very long to make or to do. And that's how we're going to do these witches fingers, okay? So this is basically like a quick little video here, okay? And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is also going to be a dinner meal because we're having this for dinner with some sausages on the side. Tomorrow's gonna be the exact same. We're gonna make a little dinner, so it'll be about the same time. Yeah. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.